Now, the things that you have another material in the document called Securing Easy Divorce. We don't want to divorce. But do you want to divorce? No. But if there is a divorce, what is the easiest divorce? Outside the court. Settle it. Settle it outside the court. No, I want 100% my way. I said never ever you get 100% what you are thinking of. Neither inside the court nor in the Islamic Sharia. You have to absorb it. The moment you think of divorce, you are losing all what you earn or otherwise. People refuse to do what we told them they went to the court, and they lost all their money, all their properties, the house as well as the car, and some of them also lost their children. I said, you see? Why? In Chicago, they refuse. I said, okay. You'll see what's going to happen. He lost his house, he lost the car, and because both have to pay to both lawyers, and finally, because he has to pay her support, child support also, he made her to be crazy, pretended, with the psychiatrists and psychologists, with the help, non-Muslims, and because she is mentally disturbed, she cannot raise the children. And now he lost his job because by choice he decided to lose his job in order not to give her any alimony or child support or anything. So the children were taken from him because he has no money. And she is mentally disturbed, so-called. And now he lost his house, he lost the car, he lost his wife, he lost his children, he became homeless. I said, you see, I told you from the beginning. You think your children are going to be raised by Muslims? No. So it's up to you. You think you want the child? You reverse psychology, tell your wife, take the child. Take the children, I don't want them. You want full custody? Reverse psychology, you know. Say, take everything. You want the car? Take the car. You want the house? Take the house. You want everything? Take it. I'm ready to go and sleep under the tree. So what? I came to America, nothing, I'll go back to square one. What else you want? If she has 1% iman or social reaction, she will say, this crazy man, this my loving husband is giving me everything and I hate. At least she will come back to her moral.